Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you my simple to-do list in Notion. So the basic idea is to have like one page with a simple to-do list and some sub-pages with some specified to-do lists. All of the to-do lists you're going to see now are based on one database, and it's just adjusted by making use of filters. So first you see this to-do list. You can create new to-dos by just typing whatever you cleaning my car. Then you can add a tag, for example business or private. It's a private thing, and then you have this to-do cleaning my car. The cool thing is you can move it around. So for example you can move it to tomorrow, April 5th or whatever. Another quite cool thing about this to-do list system are quick to-dos. If you open quick to-dos, you can write down to-dos which do not have a date yet. For example, I have here the to-do to cancel my credit card, or also to cancel my mobile phone thing. Whenever I decide I want to do it on this day, I just click on date, choose the day, for example the 5th. It will disappear from this kind of database quick to-dos and show up on the 5th. If I decide on the 5th, oh, I don't have the time to do it again on this day, I just can delete the date, and then it will jump back in this kind of a type of backlog. This view, to-do list view, shows 1 week of to-dos. Another quite cool thing is the to-do list done. The to-do list done is kind of a place where I store all of the to-do lists to the to-dos I finished. For example, when I decide, alright, I finished my video about this to-do list system, I click done. Then I'm going on my to-do list done. And I can see it's a business thing that it's stored on the April 4th as done. This is quite nice to have, so whenever you finish a to-do, it just goes in this database and you can come to this database and have a look at all of your finished to-dos on the respective days. So how did I build this to-do list structure? The magical thing here is filters. As mentioned before, it's all based on the same database. The only differences between this view, and also the to-do list done views is the filters I'm using. For my kind of basic to-do list, I'm using one rule, which is where done is not checked yet. And I'm also filtering by date next week. This is why we just see here all the to-dos for next week and not for like the next month. With the to-do list, the quick view, I'm also using a filter. The rule is where date is empty. So whenever I'm not choosing a date, it's in the quick to-do list database. With the to-dos I finished already, it's exactly the same. I'm using a filter, or actually I'm using two filters in this case. One is done is checked, so where done is checked. And also I'm using where the tag is business. And it's the same with the to-do list done, private. If you look on click on filter, we can see the tag is private and done is checked. So yeah, this is my very simple but effective to-do list system in Notion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want a step-by-step guide where I'm showing you how to build this system, just write it in the comments. Thank you very much. Bye.